I begin to I begin to
Alright guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Welcome back guys. Now, I finished, I sanded the roof off, the drywall. Let me show you. Okay, so I sand everything down. So it's very smooth. Cut the holes out to install the LED lights. The recessed light. So I'm going to do a bit of painting now. And then as you can see, there's a bit of focus. Yeah. On those marks, dirt marks from touching the wall. So I'm gonna paint these out, all right? And here again, I already rubbed this down, got it smooth. I'm gonna paint the ceiling. I may have to buy paint because I only have that small bucket, but I can complete this section. Right, I can complete this section and then whatever I need to get done, I may have to buy another paint for here. But let's see what's going on. All right, guys, stay tuned. Okay, guys, so welcome back. So the passage is done. I'm going to install the two lights. So, yeah. Any other spots I see in the morning, I'm going to just touch it out. After rub the running board off and paint it. All right, it's raining. Oh yeah, I think this is done. So I gave that ceiling one coat. So I'm gonna give it one more coat. And then I'm gonna paint the walls, all right? So, all right, so stay tuned. I'm gonna seal in one more coat and then I'm gonna paint walls and put on the plate and that one and the switch. Yeah. So this is the four guys. All right. The wall is prime, so I'm gonna give it a coat and then go from there. Again, guys, I'm busy working. Again, guys, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button, like, share, comment, and subscribe. All right. All right. So there you have it, guys. Painting my hair, my hand. Lights up and running. I need to do one more coat on the wall. Yeah. I'm gonna turn this one on. You can see it. Lights. All right, passage, closet. Next step I'm gonna do is the bathroom. After the bathroom, the room, yeah, I'm not doing that. So, all right, so one more coat, clean up, and do one final video, okay? Stay tuned, guys. Remember guys, like, share, comment. It's become dirty. My God.